So welcome student. In this class we will going to discuss concept of optical activity. Concept of optical activity and optical isomerism. Okay, we know stereoisomers. Okay, stereoisomers. Okay, so isomers are classified into two types, structural isomers and stereoisomers, and then stereoisomers are further classified into three types: optical isomers, conformational isomers and geometrical isomers. Okay, so among these stereoisomers we will going to discuss optical isomers. Okay, what is optical activity and what is optical isomers. So before going to discuss this isomerism, I want to explain some concept about this. Okay, so light, white light or visible light. Okay, what is visible light or what is light? Light is nothing but energy, electromagnetic radiation or electromagnetic radiation energy travel in the form of waves. Okay, waves travel in the form of waves, that is nothing but light. Simple definition of light. Now, so this point represent the source of light, and that light will emit radiation in the form of wave, travel in the form of wave. Okay, so this is the direction of propagation. Okay, and from this point to this point, this distance is known as one wave. From this point, crest, trough, up to this is called one wave, and this distance is represented by lambda. Okay, and this distance is measured in the angstrom unit. Okay, now this is, we know in physics, I think you already learn about this wave. Okay, again this is wave is a electromagnetic radiation travel in the form of wave. Okay, lambda, wave number, frequency, okay, everything. Now electromagnetic radiation means, electromagnetic means what? This energy or radiation associated with electrical component and magnetic component. This is the meaning of electromagnetic radiation. Okay, now I don't want to go in detail. So this is lambda. What is visible light? Which light is considered as a visible light? So light having wavelength in between ranging from 4000 to 8000 angstrom unit. Okay, that light means the light having wavelength means distance. This distance is belonging to this range 4000 to 8000 angstrom unit, then that is called visible light. And this light include 7 colors, VIBGYOR. Here 4000 angstrom unit to 8000 angstrom unit. Okay, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. These color present in visible light. Okay, now suppose this is the source of white light. Source of white light or visible light. Visible light means what? This source will emit all colors. Okay, all colors means in 7 colors. Okay, this source, which is the source of visible light, means it will going to emit 7 colors having wavelength ranging from 4000 angstrom unit to 8000, that band. complete band, that is called visible light. Okay, now here I will put some filter. Filter is an instrument, I will explain that. It is just a opaque to light, means light can pass through this instrument. Okay, it's just a crystal. Now from this crystal it is known as filter. It means it will allow only one of the light, not all, not all color will going to pass through this instrument. Okay, suppose this is the 7 colors. This light includes 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Suppose what I will do here, I will put this filter at yellow position. Yellow. Suppose here is one adjustment. If we put yellow knob on yellow color, then this filter will allow only yellow color. Remaining color will block. Means remaining light will block. Okay, that is the meaning of this filter. Now suppose if we put this filter knob on yellow color, then only yellow color will come out. Yellow light. Okay, it will going to filter the this instrument will going to separate all the colors. Okay, that is the meaning. Now then what? Suppose I want red light, then put this knob on red color, then it will allow only red, remaining light will block. That is the meaning. Now this light here, before entering filter, the light contain all the colors, multicolor. Okay, and after the emerging light through this filter having only single color, any single color, that light is called monochromatic light. That light is called monochromatic light. What is monochromatic light? Monochromatic light is a light having single color or single wavelength, single, not all. Okay, here what is the wavelength of this light? It is ranging from 4000 to 8000 angstrom minute. But for this we have only single value. Yellow, where is yellow? Yellow is here. It may around 5 to 6, 5000 or whatever, 5500 maybe. Okay, whatever. But it contains single wavelength. That is called monochromatic light. Now we want this monochromatic light, and so now we have to consider this monochromatic light. And always remember, any single wave, this wave is a electromagnetic wave, means this wave associated with electric field as well as magnetic field. Whatever wave is traveling in this direction means it will propagating electric field as well as magnetic field, and both these fields are exactly perpendicular to each other and perpendicular to the direction of propagation. This is the direction of propagation. This wave traveling in this direction. Okay, so this is called the direction of propagation, and this wave is traveling means it is propagating electric field as well as magnetic field. Okay, always remember. So that's why it is called electromagnetic waves. Now one thing about this wave is that this any point on this wave, if we consider any single point on this wave, this point having vibration, this point will have is in vibration, and it will vibrating in all possible direction, not a single vibration, not vibrating in single direction, but all possible direction perpendicular to the direction of propagation. Means if we consider any single point on this wave, this point is in vibration or oscillation, same thing, and this vibrating in all possible direction, all whatever direction are there vibrate, but except direction of propagation. All direction are perpendicular to the direction of propagation. That is the meaning. Okay, now I will explain again. So we know, have you understand monochromatic light? Monochromatic light is a light containing single wavelength or single color. Okay, there are various sources of monochromatic light. Suppose this point or this point is a source of monochromatic light. Source of monochromatic light. Okay, so monochromatic light means single wavelength, like this, single wavelength. Okay, now, and what is the property of these waves? These waves, any point on this wave having vibration in all possible direction. I will try to explain in this way. Means, suppose this is the direction of vibration. This point vibrate in all possible direction. 1, 2, all possible except this, because these vibrations are perpendicular to the direction of propagation. So this is the direction of propagation, this is the direction of propagation. So this point will not going to vibrate like this parallel to this propagation, because vibration must be perpendicular to the direction of propagation. That's why. So this is the source of monochromatic light, and any point on this waves is in vibration and vibrate in all possible direction perpendicular to the direction of propagation. Okay, now then on this way path put prism, Nicol prism. Then what happen? And allow this light to pass through this Nicol prism. Okay, then what happen? The light emerging or coming out through this prism is having vibration in one direction. Before entering inside the prism, the light or this wave point, any point on this wave vibrate in all possible direction perpendicular to the direction of propagation. But after passing through this prism, the whatever light is coming out is vibrating in single plane, single direction, having vibration in single direction, any but single. So then such light, such monochromatic light vibrating in single direction is called plane polarized light. Plane polarized light or PPL. This is called PPL. Okay, so this is the meaning of plane polarized light. Okay, so this is very important. Initially here we have taken the visible source, visible light having wavelength 4000 to 8000 angstrom minute. Okay, and then that light we have passed through this filter. Okay, filter or grating, filter. Then what is the role of filter? The role of filter is that it will allow only single color to pass. It will transfer only single wavelength, not all. Remaining, not this, remaining color will block. Okay, will not going to pass through that filter. Okay, that light is called monochromatic light. Now here this is the source of monochromatic light. There are various sources of monochromatic light. Okay, this source will going to produce monochromatic light with single wavelength or light with single color. Then what is the property of this monochromatic light or single wavelength? This light, this point, any point on this wave having vibration, and vibrate in all possible direction perpendicular to the direction of propagation. Okay, that's it. Then what we have to do, we have to pass this monochromatic light having vibration in all possible direction, oscillation, through this Nicol prism. And what happen, whatever light coming emerging through this Nicol prism is having single vibration like this, propagate with single vibration in this direction. This is the direction of propagation. So just for your understanding, so light will vibrate like this and forwarded propagate in this direction. That light is called plane polarized light. What is plane polarized light? The light having vibrate in single direction. The light vibrate in single direction, that is called plane polarized light. And the plane, this is the plane in which light vibrating. In that plane light is vibrating, that plane is called plane of PPL. What is plane of PPL? The plane in which light vibrate, plane polarized light vibrate, that is called plane of PPL. Okay, so this is the base of optical activity, the basic idea that we want to discuss for optical activity. So okay, so student, go through this topic and try to understand what is plane polarized light, what is monochromatic light, what is the role of Nicol prism, what is the role of filter, okay, and all this. In coming class I will discuss optical activity, what is the meaning of optical activity again. Thank you very much.